Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture or your avatar on Roblox. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in roblox.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Roblox website where you can log into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right corner and using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page from which, if you wish to change your profile picture or your avatar, click on the avatar option at the left side. You will now be taken into your avatar editor. You can choose from 3D or 2D avatar, and you can choose the various different accessories that you want to use for your avatar. You can choose from various different apparels that are available from the drop-down menu above and customize your character with the various options that are available. Once you have made your desired change, you will not need to click on any save button as your avatar will be saved right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture or your avatar on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.